In the name of Allah. Hi everyone, today I want to show you in this video how to image to text convert, picture to text convert, step by step learn.
Welcome at One Word Education Center. Start a video.
Let's say you have an image with the text like this. And you want to get the text from the image. So to convert the image into text, just click the link in the description. Open the site. This is the site which will help us convert an image into text. So click select file and then select the image which you want and click open. Then select the language you want and here select the format we can image convert to this. Microsoft Word format, Microsoft Excel format, text plain format, in which you want. I'm going to select this and click convert. As you can see we have got the text from the image. Now to download the file, click download and the file will be downloaded to your computer. Now if you open it you can see that the image has been converted into text. This is how to image to text convert or how to picture to text converter. It's a very easy way. Thanks for watching guys. Catch you next video, please like, share, subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye.